Hey guys, welcome to the Mindset Matters channel, and my name is Abhi. Today I'll show you some few steps where you can earn a passive income and you can earn some money. And here's the first thing that I want to show you is the Simple cash account. And I'll go through my account and I'll show you how you can earn passive income every month. So let's get started. So here is my account, and you can see I've earned $5.60 till now as the interest rate at 4.5%. And it's just been a week I earned that money, and it's pretty good, I guess, because the banks, they provide as little as 1%, maximum I think it's 2%, but Simple is providing us 4.5% interest rate, and which is more than the inflation what you need. So what you can do is you can sign up for the Simple cash account. You can put your details and then you can open it. After opening it, you can put some money and you can try it out how it works for you. If it's just a passive income per month, and if you put $1,000, that makes $40 per year. And more importantly, they're gonna pay you every month, not every year, every month. So if I give you an example of $1,000, if you put $1,000 in your cash account, you are eligible to get $3.3 every month. So it's not bad. Every month is you're getting something out of it, right? So you can try that account. There is one more thing that I want to show you is Simply Financial. It's a branch of CIBC and it's almost new. And one more thing, they don't charge you any monthly fee for checking account. It's just a free account you can open. So I'm gonna put a link for the Simply Financial in my description. You can go there and put my code on it, so you also gonna be eligible for $50. Otherwise, if you straightly gonna go and open an account, you won't get anything unless you refer it to someone. So it's like I'm referring you guys, so you can click on that link and open an account and you're gonna get $50. And after that, you can invite your family and friends, and then you can earn money by this. And so these two things, like Simple referral and Simply referral, is the free money you can earn anytime and with anyone. And the Simple cash account, as I already told you, it's they provide pretty decent interest rate, and it's against the inflation. It's more than inflation, so what else you need? So every month they're gonna give you interest rate income, and it's like a passive income. That's all for today. I hope you have a good day. Keep investing and keep getting financially educated as much as possible. Thank you so much. I hope you have a good day.